These are the small leaf privet branches I've cut. And they've still got these little branchlets on there which I want to take off with a machete. Makes peeling the skin off easier later if you knock them off, so I'll just do that. Okay, so I've got all the little branchlets off. Now I'm just going to cut them to size to fit in a pot so I can steam them. I've got a big pair of loppers, which makes it easier than the handheld secateurs. This is harder wood. There's my new bundle. Pot. I'll just cut some hibiscus too. So yep, just add some boiling water, enough that it's not going to evaporate. I might have to boil another ½ litre of water. Get that on the stove. Whack a lid on it, and I want to steam it till the outer skin comes off easy. It's about 15-20 minutes. So after the privet's been steamed, the skin should come off quite easy. So once the privet dowels have been chopped up, put them back on the stove, bring them to the boil, and then I'll drain them, and then they're ready for use.